Hello students, class 9 under CBSE board. Today class will be taken on unit 1 part A, communication skill under employability skills. So let's begin. First thing you have to know, you have to clear concept about employability skills. Employability skills actually it means like as your winning edge. Beyond academic knowledge, these are the qualities and abilities that make you valuable in any workplace. That is called employability skills. Think of them as your soft skills. Soft skill means that how you work with others and solve problems. And finally, communication is a huge and fundamental employability skill. Next segment about communication. What is communication? Communication, if we say in a line, in a few words, communication means connecting with others. That's enough. The process of sharing information, idea, thoughts, feelings and emotions. It is how we understand and are understood by others. That is very important. Understand and are understood by others. If we can say real life example about communication, asking a friend for help with a math problem and them explaining it to you, that's like a communication. And the third segment about communication cycle. This is very important. Communication cycle. Communication cycle in one line, in a short, we can say information in motion. Information in motion. Information communication is a two-way street. Each step is crucial for the message to be understood. Communication cycle has 7 stages. First one is sender. Second one is encoding. Third one is message. Fourth one is receiver. And fifth one is feedback. And again sender. One phase between receiver and feedback, decoding. And finally it goes to again sender. So this is called cycle. When a starting point and end point will be the same. After few phases passed, again start from the starting point. That is called cycle. So in this communication cycle there are 7 stages. Remember it. One is sender, second one is encoding, third one is message, fourth one is medium, and second receiver, in decoding, feedback. Next, impact of body language. Impact of body language. Body language is a communication way, one type of way, speaking without words. That is called body language. Non-verbal the body language is under non-verbal. If you divide it in two types of communication, one is verbal and second one is non-verbal. Under non-verbal communication, body language is one of the most important type. Non-verbal cue likes gestures, facial expression, posture and eye contact can reinforce or contradict your spoken words. Positive language, positive body language and negative body language. There are two types of body language. One is positive, second one is negative. Positive language means builds trust and connection, right? And negative body language means can create misunderstanding. And the second segment under effective communication. What is effective communication? If we say in one line, in short, getting your point across. When your message is understood clearly and correctly, leading to the desired outcome. There are 7 key elements, clues under communications. One is clear, second one is concise, third one is correct, fourth one is complete and courteous. Clear means easy to understand, concise means to the point, correct means accurate information, complete means all necessary details, and courteous means respectful and considerate. And the next segment is under barriers or barriers to effective communication. Barriers means actually obstacle. There are obstacles that stop the message from being clear. What are the obstacles? One is physical. Physical means noise, distance. Second one is semantic, confusing words, jargon. Psychological, biases and emotions. Cultural, different customs. Organizational, issues within a structure. These are all the prevention from being clear of any communication. And the second segment, basic writing skills. Basic writing skills, in one line we can say communicating in written form. Good writing means using correct grammar, spelling and punctuation. It is called good writing. But essential for clarity and professionalism, focus on grammar, spelling, punctuation and organizations. It is called writing skills. Next topic is paragraph, building blocks of writing. The mighty paragraph means one idea at a time. That is called the paragraph. A group of related sentences about one main idea. That is called paragraph. Usually includes a topic sentence, supporting sentence and concluding sentence. In a paragraph, there are 3 parts. One is topic sentence, second one is supporting sentence, and third one is concluding sentence. Concluding sentence is optional, but it can be concluded. It can be included in paragraphs. Next topics, use of articles a and the. Adding specificity to your writing. A or an for general and unspecified nouns, and the for specific or already mentioned nouns. For example, I saw a bird, any bird, that is A. I saw the blue bird, the means specific word. Learning objectives of effective communication. Effective communications learning objectives, main objectives. Why communicate effectively? To achieve your goals, right? To inform, how to achieve your goals through communication. One is to inform, second one is to persuade, third one is to entertain, fourth one is to build a relationship, and fifth one is to express feelings. In this way we can achieve our goals. different methods of communication. Already already I have said there this verbal and non-verbal. Verbal is speaking, non-verbal is body language, right? And another two, one is written and another fourth one is visual. Written means email, letters, reports, or visual means image, chart, video. This is called. So there are four main way or methods for communication: verbal, non-verbal, written, and visual. Non-verbal one means not written. Okay, non-verbal means body language. Body language body language again divided in two types. One is positive, second one is negative. Next, what is sentence? The foundation of a language. A group of words expressing a complete thought, contains a subject and a verb, start with a capital letters and end with punctuations. This is called sentence. Next, parts of speech. Knowing your words. Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. These are all parts of speech. Noun means person, place, thing, idea. And pronoun replace a noun. It, they, we. That is called pronoun. And verb, action or state. An adjective describe a noun. An adverb modify a verb, adjective or adverb. Preposition shows relationships. And conjunction means connect words or clauses. Or interjection express emotions. These are interjections. Smart connection. This segment is very important for this chapter, for this communication skills. This is most important. Connection to AI with communication. Here there are two columns. One column is communication skills and second column is why it is important in AI. Communication skill, verbal and written skills. Why it is important? To give commands or interact with AI, right? Next, communication skill, grammar and sentence. Why it is important? AI learn language from structured input. 7 clues. Why it is important? Training AI to give correct and polite replies. And body language. Why it is important for AI? Used in AI for facial and gesture recognition. And last, finally, barriers to communication helps build better human like AI. Second, next segment, why is communication so important in AI? Why? One is prompting. Clear instructions for getting better results. Understanding AI's communication, interpreting AI's output. Working with AI in terms, collaborating effectively on AI projects. Building AI that communicate well, designing user-friendly AI interactions. Second, importance of human communication skill in the age of AI. One is AI struggles with nuance, emotions and context. Strong human communication skills are crucial for working with AI effectively, collaborating with others on AI projects. Third one is critical thinking about AI information and discussing the ethical implications of AI. These are the importance for human communication skill in the age of AI. How AI communicates? A look under the hood. There are 4 layers under AI. How AI communicates. Through these 4 layers, AI communicates. First layer is application or interface. In this layer, user interaction done. And the second layer, dialogue management. In this layer, for conversational AI done. And the third is natural language processing. In this layer, understanding and generations done from the AI. And the fourth one, the last layer, data or input layer. In this layer, raw language data, text or speech, is done under AI. So these are all the layers that functioning during communicates in AI. While not strict layers, these components work together to enable AI communication. NLP is a key, right? NLP is key. Okay, finally the class is over now. In from this class you can better understand about communications, and in this chapter actually it is important to say that how communicate with AI. This is very important. Last this segment, one is this page, and another page is importance of human communication skills in the age of AI, and the third one is why is communication so important in AI, and smart connection to AI. These are four segments is very important for this chapter, a communication, right? Got it? So this class is over now today. Stay well, stay healthy, and stay connect with us, with Policy of Design AI Computer Learning Center and Kinkar Pal. Thank you.